Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Top 5 Hunter. We are coming up with another great video for the top 5 best vacuum cleaners to buy in 2022 right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. Shark AZ1002 Apex Upright Vacuum. If you prefer badless vacuums, but still want a model that filters out tiny particles, the Shark Apex is a great option. Our most recent cleaning lab test exhibited very good cleaning performance on both carpeting and bare floors and was one of the quietest models we tested. Because it converts from an upright to a canister with the press of a button, tackling stairs and nabbing pesky dust bunnies lurking in corners or hiding behind furniture is easy to do without missing a step. We like that the entire vacuum is sealed for better dust retention and that the HEPA filter, unlike others that need replacing, is washable. Pet owners will appreciate the brush roll that's designed to minimize messy hair tangles. The vacuum that deep cleans now cleans itself. Engineered for more pet hair pickup with no hair wrap vs shark bristle nozzles. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus 9550 Robot Vacuum. In our cleaning lab tests, the Roomba 9 Plus picked up 99% of the uncooked oatmeal, sand, baking soda, and small nuts and screws we spread on hard floors. It can map and remember multiple rooms and floor plans, and it beat all other robot vacuums for quickly and effectively spot cleaning a small area. It detects carpet automatically to ramp up suction only when needed, and its dual rubber roller brushes won't clog with pet hair like bristles have a tendency to do. When it's finished cleaning, the vacuum returns to its charging base, and dirt is automatically transferred into a large capacity bag for mess-free disposal. It seals completely before you toss to keep dust and dirt contained. Forget about vacuuming for months at a time with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that allows the S9 to empty itself for up to 60 days. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. WORX WX030 L20V Vac Compact Vacuum. Not your typical handheld vac, the WORX model has a unique compact, boxy shape, removable battery that fits into other WORX tools, and a top handle. Its crevice and brush tools store right on it, and a built-in flexible hose reaches 4 feet. A top performer in our cleaning tests, and a 2021 Good Housekeeping Best Cleaning Product Awards winner, this model easily picked up all the debris and pet hair we put down, even without using the max power setting. The hose makes it easy to reach into tight spaces, and it ran for 23 minutes at standard power on one charge. Although it's a little heavier than other handheld vacuums, you don't need to hold it up to use it. But its tank capacity is 7 Oz. That's a lot of crumbs. The 4FT hose gives you plenty of flexibility to reach around behind objects. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum. Robots that vacuum and mop are all the rage, but the Roborock S7 stood out for how thoroughly it covered our test areas, barely missing a speck of the debris we put down and navigating smoothly around obstacles we placed in its path. It's fully featured and easy to use. The smartphone app was helpful and easy to navigate. In mopping mode, the Roborock uses sound waves to scrub stuck-on stains from bare floors, and the pad automatically lifts when it senses carpet to keep from wetting it as it vacuums. Features like a child lock and cleaning controls are easily accessible on the robot's top, and it even responds to voice commands. Bottom line, the Roborock S7 does what robots are supposed to do. It does the cleaning for you, and it does it so well it's a winner in our 2021 Good Housekeeping Best Cleaning Product Awards. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Samsung Jet 90 Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Selected as the Good Housekeeping Institute's best overall stick vacuum, Samsung's Jet 90 Stick Vacuum impressed us with its 3 levels of pickup power, as well as its great design and wide assortment of useful tools. Use it on low for area rugs, medium for bare floors, and max for deeper pile carpets. It even cleans lightweight throw rugs and mats that other vacuums we tested get stuck on. The Samsung also comes with a freestanding charging base that can be tucked into any corner for out-of-the-way storage. The package includes a fluffy brush roll head for wood floors, a small turbo tool for upholstery and mattresses, and a flexible attachment for greater reach in addition to the usual crevice tool and dusting brush. The wand telescopes, and we found the dust cup and filter easy to empty and clean. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.